Igbo teta, Igbo teta, Igbo teta, Igbo teta, na chi efogo. Igbo teta, na chi efogo. Cha, Igbo mamano.
Yeah!
Igbo Igbo.
Ohanaeze.
Igbo. Asinaga karakadi eri mguro. Uka baraba bisi ka eji ekwe ya. There has been an unanimous agreement in Ohanaeze and Igbo in Lagos that a special day be set aside to honor some special people with prestigious awards. The award shall be given to some prominent individuals in different spheres and fields of endeavor. Most special and prominent among them is the Executive Governor of Lagos State, in the person of His Excellency Babajide Sanwo-Olu. There has been an agreement to give this prestigious award to the governor because of his special love, passion and desire which he has expressed in supporting and encouraging Igbo, with a daily relationship which he established with the grand patron of Ohanaeze, Chief Ifeanyi Chukwuma Ode, Anyi Chuks, as well the president of Ohanaeze in the person of Chief Solomon Ogbonna Agwene. Governor Sanwo-Olu has shown special love for Igbos that even during the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown, the governor opened the doors of his food bank to Igbos in Lagos and gave them various items of food relief. He also does same whenever there is a festival for Muslims during the Salah period, and likewise for the Christian faithful. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu has made the Igbos in all the local government councils and LCDAs in Lagos to be happy because of his gifts, remunerations, love and encouragement which he has showered on them over time. Likewise, he has done for the entire Ohanaeze, the women, youths, the less privileged, and those Igbos in need. Ohanaeze shall use the same category of special award to honor one of our great and illustrious sons in the person of Chief Ifeanyi Chukwuma Ode for his numerous love, philanthropic contributions towards Igbo, as well his support and encouragement to Ohanaeze in Lagos from the inception of Chief Solomon Ogbonna Agwene's regime as president of Ohanaeze Igbo in Lagos. This fantastic philanthropist has been a pillar for Ohanaeze Igbo in times of peculiar needs. This Igbo illustrious son, Anyi Chuks, has been appointed by Ohanaeze Igbo Lagos to be the chairman of this forthcoming Ohanaeze Mega Awards event.
Ifeanyi Chukwuma ihe ga-asọgbuemo ayama ọgaranya nwere go ihu na asọgbuemo ayama ya o mezuru ọra ọ bụrụ ike n'iso nwe ya ayama ọgaranya nwere go ihu na asọgbuemo ayama ya Ifeanyi Chuks ọ bụrụ ego iso nwe ya o ayama ọgaranya nwere go ihu na asọgbuemo ayama ya achọba ezigbo mmadụ n'ala Igbo nna m isogburu ya ayama ọgaranya nwere go ihu na asọgbuemo ayama ya ọgbakwutu m ogbenye nna m isogburu ya o ayama ọgaranya nwere go ihu na asọgbuemo ayama ya oju na-eme ọgọ nna m dị anyị mma ayama ọgaranya nwere go ihu na asọgbuemo ayama ya ụmụ ọma ijeje mba ihe ga-asọgbuemo ayama ọgaranya nwere go ihu na asọgbuemo ayama.
The vice chairman of this forthcoming event is Chief Obinna Iyebu Obi Kubana of Igbo and the world. He is another pillar of Ohanaeze in Lagos, as well supporter of the less privileged, a human capacity builder.
Obi Kubana nwa n'ide anyị mma o ayama ọgaranya nwere go ihu na asọgbuemo ayama ya ọkpata ọzọra n'ala Igbo nna m ide anyị mma ayama ọgaranya nwere go ihu na asọgbuemo ayama achọba ezigbo mmadụ n'ala Igbo nna m isogburu ya o ayama ọgaranya nwere go ihu na asọgbuemo ayama ya o mepụrụ m ogbenye obi n'isogburu ya o ayama ọgaranya nwere go ihu na asọgbuemo ayama ya ọnụ na-ekwuru ya utu niile nna m iso dị mma o ayama ọgaranya nwere go ihu na asọgbuemo akpata ozuọra ayama ya ayama ọgaranya nwere go ihu na asọgbuemo ayama ya
Daniels is the leader of the women wing worldwide and also the mother of the day of this great event. Professor Ambassador George Obiozo, the President General Ohanaeze worldwide, will be the father of the day. The leader and president of Ohanaeze in Lagos State, in the person of Chief Solomon Ogbonnagwene, is the chief host of this special event.
Follow Solomon, oh. Follow Solomon, oh. Follow Solomon, oh. Ohanaeze, follow Solomon, oh. Follow Solomon, oh. Follow Solomon, oh. Imakwani soro Solomon, oh. Kai soro Solomon, oh. Umigbo soro Solomon, oh. Imakwani soro Solomon, oh. Oke doziri anyị ọnọdụ, oke miye ni n'ọdịmma. Umigbo soro Solomon, oh. Udochia, Solomon, oh. Udochia, Solomon, oh. Udochia, Solomon, oh.
The dog said he follows the pot belly because if he does not vomit, he will defecate. Of a truth, Chief Solomon Ogbonnagwene has done both, and that is the reason we are following him. Chief Solomon has shown great values and qualities that has made him a peculiar and exemplary leader. By his skills and style of top-notch leadership acumen, he has done and achieved what no other leader has done in Ohanaeze Ndigbo in Lagos. Before he came to office, it is on record that for more than 20 years of Ohanaeze, it has never had a secretariat. But Chief Solomon, in assumption of office as the president of Ohanaeze Ndigbo in Lagos, gave them a secretariat. Before Chief Solomon became the president of Ohanaeze, there has now been orderliness in taking kingship titles in Lagos State. People take kingship titles on every street and corner, and nobody hears what another is saying. But Chief Solomon, on assumption of office, called them together and gave them a leader and head. They now reason together and speak in unison. Since Chief Solomon became the president of Ohanaeze Ndigbo in Lagos, has anyone heard of Igbo market closure in Ladipo?
No!
Has Aspanda market been locked?
No!
Has there been a closure of Balengu market and Amandilas?
No!
Have they locked the Igbo marketplace in Yaba?
No!
Please, how about the Igbo market and business places in Oja Alaba?
No!
So it has been in all the Igbo marketplaces in Lagos. No more harassment by area boys because of a dearly and healthy relationship between Chief Solomon Ogbonnagwene and Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu that came with a promise that Igbos will not be intimidated anymore in Lagos. Based on this relationship, no family takes lands duly paid for by Igbos. These are some little clips of the event at the Police College ground, which was tagged Outstanding Igbo Day. It was a great event with a mammoth and overwhelming crowd. It is amazing to fathom how he has been able to gather such Igbo crowd that attended the event. And so amazingly, how Chief Solomon Ogbonnagwene was able to invite such high caliber of many Igbo billionaires domiciled in Lagos, Abuja, as well other important dignitaries of all colors. Celebrities, masquerades, dances, security, as well very important personalities from all walks of life. He has really shown that Igbos follow him to wherever he wants them to go. Above all, Chief Solomon Ogbonnagwene is a man of integrity who appreciates whatever kind gesture that is being given to him or any Igbo person. This mega awards will come pretty soon. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, Governor of Lagos State, is in support as well pledge encouragement in the building of the ultra-modern edifice and permanent secretariat of Ohanaeze Ndigbo in Lagos State. This gigantic building will house floors for all the states of Ndigbo: Abia State, Anambra State, Enugu State, Ebonyi State, Imo State, Delta State, Rivers State, Lagos and Oduduwa to tie this newfound relationship between Ndi Igbo and Yorubas being championed by Chief Solomon Ogbonna Agwene. Please, my brethren, let us join hands together to support and stand with Chief Solomon Ogbonna Agwene to enable him accomplish this project with the support of the Igbo billionaires who are friends of our president, Solomon Ogbonna Agwene.
Enye kwuo ya chance nwantịntị oge ihe niile ga-achawapụ. Enye kwuo ya chance nwantịntị oge. Enye kwuo ya chance nwantịntị oge ihe niile ga-achawapụ. Enye kwuo ya chance nwantịntị oge. Enye kwuo ya chance nwantịntị oge ihe niile ga-adị mma. Enye kwuo ya chance